All right, let's do some touch and goes this time, all right?
All right.
Let's do it. Get up there and touch and go.
Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh. I think I got that on tape.
Alright. What? Oh, I put out a week later.
The 120 millimeter one, you want to use the 80.
All right, let's do touch and go, bro. Bring it in left to right. Left to right.
You gotta go up my way then. You know, crazy.
Too high, too fast.
Get a little expo.
Just bring it left to right, man. A little across one won't hurt you.
Don't listen to Bud.
Well, seriously, man. You can't always pick which way you're gonna land. Blue Hornet. It's the Blue Hornet. Cut power, cut power. Yeah!
That's a Ford Carrier, Randy. There.
All right, again.
This time's smooth.
Smooth.
Got a nice little glide, fucking killer glide. It was coming in a high altitude. What is that, a 70 millimeter? No, actually, 64. Yes, it's
Slow down.
watch out for those trees. Nice!
Oh, you're supposed to let it roll a little bit.
Keep doing it till you get it right or crash.
Yeah, go right down that street.
You're coming in too hot, man. Just land it and let it roll out and then give it some gas. Now cut power, cut power. All right, cut power now. Cut power now.
Some of these things are really hard to put together.
Wow. Wow.
What was that teeth sound? Did you hear that teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, it was over there? Yeah. Oh. He came down there, I heard that tink, and I'm looking down here, I thought, what is that?
All right, cut power now. Cut now, cut now, cut now. Glide it in.
Yeah, that's a hard judgment call as to where you pull it off to get him on the ground.
Hey, you gotta let it land, man. You gotta let it roll a little bit. That's a carrier landing, man.
Battery's not going to last forever. You did a beautiful landing on it. Earlier, I saw him. You put it down here, rolled out, it's beautiful. Cut. Roll it, roll it.
Oh. F-15, Blue Angels. There you go. That's where you wanted it. Now go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Good job, buddy!